A secret operation, months of surveillance, and a target at the very top of Iran's power structure. And now, shocking details are beginning to emerge. Welcome to Times XP, it's me, Tritiya Athri, and reports suggest that one of the most powerful intelligence operations in recent years may have unfolded quietly in the shadows, long before missiles ever hit Tehran. That's right, according to the New York Times, Western intelligence agencies had been closely monitoring the movements of Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, for months. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, not days, not weeks, we are talking about months here. Well, behind the closed doors, analysts inside the Central Intelligence Agencies were reportedly piecing together a very complex picture. Satellite images, signals intelligence, encrypted communication, movement pattern of senior Iranian officials. Every detail was being studied very carefully because the target was not just another military commander. It was their supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, the most powerful political and religious authority in the whole country. Sources say that intelligence team began noticing a pattern here. Senior Iranian officials, they were regularly gathering at a very highly secure leadership compound in Tehran, a location believed to host key decision-making meetings involving military commanders and senior government figures. And that is when the whole plan reportedly began to take the shape. According to the reports, the intelligence gathered by the CIA was quietly shared with Israeli security agencies, including Mossad and Israel Defense Forces. What followed was a highly coordinated discussion between Washington and Tehran. In fact, when to strike, where to strike, and most importantly, who exactly would be inside the compound at the moment of impact. In fact, further, according to the reports, intelligence sources believe that a high-level leadership meeting was about to take place. That meeting could actually bring together senior top Iranian figures at the same location. Now, for the planners behind the scenes, it presented a rare opportunity, right? And that is when the operation reportedly moved into its final phase. Israeli officials reportedly referred the whole mission as Operation Roaring Lion. In the meantime, the US reportedly used the code name Epic Fury. So here we have two names, but just one objective: a coordinated strike designed to hit the leadership compound at the exact moment the meeting was underway. Military planners reportedly assembled a complex strike package. Cruise missiles capable of deep precision strike. That's right, stealth fighter jets operating under the radar. And with that, an unmanned drone monitoring the targeted area in the real time. According to the reports, the goal was clear: a fast, overwhelming strike that would leave almost no time for escape. In the meantime, on the day of the operation, intelligence sources say that surveillance assets were already watching the compound. Basically, they were watching every single moment, every vehicle that was entering those gates, and every security detail surrounding the complex. Then the order was reportedly given. Within moments, missiles and aircrafts were launched towards Tehran. The strike package moved rapidly towards the target. Explosions soon followed at the leadership compound, basically a location believed to house several high-level Iranian officers. Well, the attack sent shockwaves through Iran's political and military leadership, but the story, it does not end there. Because almost immediately after the report surfaced, Iranian authorities pushed back strongly. Officials denied the claims surrounding the operations and accused Washington and Israel of conducting psychological warfare aimed to destabilize the country. They also urged citizens to remain calm and maintain national unity. Well, for now, many details surrounding the alleged operation remain disputed and unverified. But if even parts of this report it proves accurate, then the implications are enormous. It would mean that one of the most sensitive intelligence operations in modern geopolitics had been quietly unfolding for months. A shadow campaign of surveillance, strategic coordination between intelligence agencies, and a strike planned with extraordinary precision. Behind the headlines and dramatic footage, ladies and gentlemen, the real battle may have taken place long before any missile were launched. In intelligence rooms, behind encrypted screens, and in the silent war of covert operations, where wars are often decided long before the first explosion is ever heard.